Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you're new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. There's also a bell that's beside that button. It's called the notification bell. And I recommend that you press it because what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see it in your inbox. You'll see the picture and the title of the video. And if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, like today's. Today is the IPSY Choice Day. So I just got notification and I'm going to go in and show you guys what my choices are in all three of my bags. I do get the IPSY $12 bag, the $25 plus, as well as the Ultimate. And then I will choose with you one of the items in my glam bag, and then we'll see if the flash sale comes up, that I'll be able to share that with you guys as well. All right, let's get going. All right, so right here, I'm in the original glam bag, and we are going to choose the product. Okay, I'm not in my glam bag, I'm in the other one. So let me go back up here. These are my three options: glam bag plus, and the Ultimate. But I always like to start with the glam bag. So here we go. All right, so here we go. Choose a product. So my choices that are going to be for me on here are the Sugar Cosmetic Matte All Hells Crayon Lipstick in Viola, the First Aid Beauty Hello Fabs Pore Be Gone Matte Primer, the Ofra Cosmetics Soho Highlighter, and this Malin Gotes is a grapefruit face cleanser. This next one is the Centrique I'm Pure Sunscreen. Sugar Cosmetics, they are showing two mattes in two different colors. From Pacifica Beauty, they have the Cherry Gold Highlighter and Blush. And then Benefit Cosmetics, they are showing the Brow Gel and then a Locket Setting Powder, Translucent Powder. So those are my options to choose because you get to customize one product in each one of your boxes, or your, like this IPSY bag. Now the bag is normally just sample size products options. The next one is the Plus, which is the $25 bag, and I'm going to have an opportunity to choose a product from here. And here are the choices that they gave me. It's the Purlisse Beauty, the Watermelon Aqua Bomb, the Hey Honey in the Peel Off Mask, the Beauty for Real Mascara in Black, the Ciate London Marble Metals Eyeshadow. The next one is also from Ciate London. It's an eyeshadow in Wicked. There's an item here from Good in Doc. It's an Acne Control Blemish Spot Treatment. This Laura Geller Urban Garden in Central Park. I already swatched that if you guys want to look at it. I did receive it in last month's box in the video. I haven't had an opportunity to try that product yet, so I do not have any info on it. The next is the Fresh Herb Eye Cream. Then we have from Tula an SPF, and then from OS Laboratories, this is the Lady Gaga brand. It's a gloss in ethereal. So I wish I had more information on any of these. The only product that I have tried on here is the Purlisse, and to me Purlisse is a fantastic brand, so I did try this product and it is a really enjoyable one. The next choices here are for my Ultimate, and in my Ultimate, let's see what my choices will be. And I'm really looking at this, guys, for the first time with you. So the next item here is from Ciate London. It's the Mascara in Black Magic. They have from Bio Race a Pore Tightening Pearl Clay Mask. Ciate London, they have a Dewy Sticks in Glow. From Murad, they have a broad spectrum of vitamin C, the Essential C Day Moisturizer. Then they have some brushes from La Rousse. From Dr. Brandt Skincare, they have the Pores No More Primer. Then they have from Il Maquillage two different colors of their lip cream. They have from Laura Geller the Spackle Mist in a coconut water. And from Huda Beauty, they have a basic sponge. So I'm really not sure what I'm going to get in any of them yet. Nothing is screaming at me like, oh my God, that's the one I want to try. There's really going to be a few options there that I'm going to have to make some decisions. But let's do the glam bag one together so we can see if there is a flash sale And the only way you get to the flash sale is if you choose a product. So on this one here, I think what I'm going to end up choosing is the, I guess the Pacifica Beauty, because I have tried the Benefit Cosmetics Clear Brow Gel. The locket set, I got a little sample size from Sephora that I still haven't tried. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. So let's go in here. They're saying, and if you want more information on the product, you click on the picture and it tells you more about it. They're saying this is a summer makeup mantra. You can get enough glow. Whether your skin's craving healthy flush or you want to make your future pop, it's a hit of moisturizing coconut oil. There's a lot to love. It's vegan. The palettes are compact size and a built-in mirror are made for doing your makeup on the go. All right, so this is the one I'm going to choose. And so I'm just going to write, you know what, let me go out of here and I will choose it from here so you guys will see. So I'm just going to click on the plus sign here. And then as you see, everything else faded out. And then I have my confirm the selection. So I will confirm. And then here we go. It says your choice is in the bag. And that's it. So now it says if you want more, you can shop the flash sale. So here's the flash sale, and they're saying it's for 72 hours, snag free shipping and big savings on items you won't find in your glam bag. These are deluxe size duos, and these are all $5. They have the Tula and Perlice Cleanse Faves Duo. They have Tony Moly, and these are usually all sample sizes. They have the Tony Moly Refresh Duo. They have the Summertime Staples from Coral Sun and Mercy Handy. I have tried the Mercy Handy hand cream and it is delish. Then they have this Be Clean Squeaky Clean Duo. They have a Dew Care Restorative Mask Duo. The next item here is a Hydrating Skincare Duo. Then they have a Frizz Free Duo from Pure Brazilians, another good brand. Then they have Pure NYC. It's a Cover and Set Duo. Then from Tarte Cosmetics, they have a Bronzed and Glowing Duo. It's a mixture between Tarte and Color Rain. Then Ciate London and this C. Voss New York, and it's Illuminating Duo. I have tried the Ciate blush. It is beautiful. From Sienna B, the Beauty Crop Summer Ready Duo. The Sienna B is a nice line as well. I have their eyeshadow palette and a couple of their brushes. The Basic Beauty and Betty Boop. Betty Boop is a line that the products were nice, and it was a collab that IPSY did with them, and that's a blush duo. Then from Dome Beauty and Lovecraft Beauty, it's a complexion duo. I do own a couple of Lovecraft bronzers and blushes, and they're a good brand as well. Basic Beauty and Space Case is a glow complexion duo. I'm not familiar with Basic Beauty, but Space Case, I just received an eyeshadow, and I have received something in the past, and it is a good brand as well. Ofra Cosmetics, another good brand, and Jean Bleu is another one that the pencil, I find it a little drying, but it is good. It is an everyday lip pick. Then from Half Cake and Il Masque, they have the Lip Love Duo. Both of these are great products. Then from the Balm Cosmetics, they have Half Caked. I have both of these. They're both good. Colored Rain Cosmetics and Sienna B. It looks like another face duo. Then from Luxie Beauty and Love Beauty, I own both these products. Both are good. It's a brush complexion duo. Then from Tarte and RCLE, it's an ultimate eyeliner duo. And the Tarte I have used and enjoyed. This RCLE, I just got a liquid liner from them, a duo one, and they're good, but this looks like it's more of a gel pencil. Then from the Balm and IPSY Beauty, Summer Eyeshadow Faves, both of these are good. The Cella and Arcella Beauty, that's a good combo. That 4 quad is fantastic. And like I said, this Arcella Beauty liquid liner is a good one. Then from Il Masque and IPSY Betty Boop, it's a liquid liner. Then from Avon and Kaleido Cosmetics, they have a Glimmer Duo. Then from Beauty Crop and Kaleido Cosmetics, they have an eyeshadow duo. From Royal Brush and Sienna B Complexion Brush Duo, both of these are good. Real Her and Billion Dollar Brows, a must-have brush duo. The other one looks like, yeah, the Gigi pencilin, the brush in that is really, really good. I own that. Then from Farrah Brushes and Slim Glam It's a detailed brush duo. I'm enjoying the Slim Glam. The Farah brushes I'm not a big fan of. I haven't found one that I like. Then from Firma Beauty and IPSY Betty Boop, it's a conceal and blend brush duo. Then here from Theory and Khaleesi, it's an exfoliating and hydrating duo. And Delectable Cake Beauty and Playlist is a hydrating body duo. The Cake Beauty always smells delish. Now here's some full-size duos for $16. I have never seen them do duos on the $16, so this is exciting. The IT Cosmetics and Sweet Chef Cleanse and Nourishing Duo. I just actually used my points to replenish my IT Cosmetics cleanser. It's a good one. The Skin & Company Roma and Hey Honey Truffle and Honey Duo. Another great pair. I have the Skin & Co. Truffle Gommage, and I'm really enjoying it. Then from Midflower, they have a sheet mask stash. Then they have from Wonder Beauty an Il Mask full coverage duo. I'll have to double check on that one because I do have the primer from Il Mask Q. It is fantastic, and I definitely wanted to try the Wonder Beauty in a full size. I just got the sample size and I haven't tried it yet, and I'm kicking myself. All right, then they have it in another color here, the Wonder Beauty Complexion Duo. Then they have from Wonder Beauty the Morphe Dewy Complexion Duo. From Touch & Soul Keisha, a K-Beauty Duo. Then the Balm and $1 Billion Brows Eye Essentials Duo. Then that looks like the Get Matte, which is a good brand too. And this is a fantastic deal. This Cella and Il Maquillage, both fantastic products. Then they have some bundles. Wow, this is a great month. They have some B10 tan bundles. They are from IPSY and Everyday Staples bundle. It looks like it has a Pixie product in there that I'm familiar with, as well as the hemp. So 2 items in there I know. The Violet Voss is a fantastic fun size palette, and it's coming with a brush set from LaRousse. It's called Berry Chic Bundle. I actually used my points to get this Berry Chic, and it's fantastic. Then they have from Flesh and ColourPop a High Shine Bundle. That's exciting. And then from ColourPop again, they have some cosmetics from Real Her. So that's everything, guys, that they are showing for the flash sale on my system, as well as sharing with you my 3 choice items. And the only one that I've chosen so far is Pacifica Beauty. Now I'm going to sit back and go through everything to see what I'm going to get, and then we'll open it all together on my channel. So looking forward to seeing you guys when we get all this. But make sure to mark on your calendar the 2nd of every month is the IPSY day, where they give us those sneak peeks of everything that's going to be in our boxes, and we get to do some add-ons, and I do a video on that as well here. So if you're enjoying my content, I would really appreciate if you guys gave me a thumbs up. It's so important for me on the YouTube platform, because YouTube sees that and then they put my videos in front of other people that haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet. And it is so important that you guys continue to stay safe and stay well. And as always, I appreciate that you take some time in your day to spend it with me here. Good luck to everybody, that you get your choices that you want, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.